Hey everyone, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach.
Hey everyone.
We are back home. It is the week before Thanksgiving, so we're home to see some family. And while we were in Florida, we did a delivery of a beautiful new coach, 1346.
Yeah.
So we just wanted to kind of give you a sneak peek of what Marathon's been up to.
Yeah, long waiting coach. So the new customer's been waiting for a while, super excited to see it and super happy. So even though it's a sold coach, we always like to share with all of you what Marathon has been up to. So another X3, great interior, another great paint job. Kudos to the paint guys out in Oregon for doing another stand-up job. So we just wanted to share this with you just to kind of show you what Marathon's been up to. So we're coming into the holidays, looking forward to heading to Florida soon, doing the Tampa show and some of the other shows down there, Pelican.
Gearing up.
We're gearing up. We're getting ready. We're getting rested before we get going. So hope you enjoy this tour of 1346 and keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.